Abigail, and today we're going to play with Bucky blocks. Now let us move on to the next clip. I really like this packing. It's like golden and very thick.
Silver.
Okay. Shall we play? Yeah. Now let us open it. Here it is. Here it is. It's like very small. I'll show you what it looks like only with one Bucky block. This is what one Bucky block looks like. It's very tiny. We can lost it.
Abby, how many Bucky blocks inside?
2 million.
Can you show?
200.
200. Show me. Oh. Okay. Oh.
It's very heavy kind of.
Heavy. Oh. Yes.
Cameraman, you want to hold it? Hold it. I broke the whole thing.
It's okay.
But it's very, very, very pretty. It's very nice for jewelry. Oh, never mind. It's very nice for jewelry, I must say. How about we will... I think we should make jewelry out of this. It's very pretty.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea.
Make a ring. Let's see if I can make a ring. Come on. It worked.
Wow.
Yay. Put some metallic. What I got. So let me make it into a giant, long. You will see when I'm done. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's very shiny.
It's like a chain or something like that.
Yes, it's a blocks chain. It's long like a snake.
Snake.
Yes, it's a snake. Ah.
Can you make a tower?
Yeah.
Okay.
First, we'll start with 4 blocks and another type of 4 blocks. I must know. It's going to take a long time. I must see. Eesh. Okay, it's going to take a very, very long time to make this because it's going to stick everywhere. You want to stick? There you go. You want to stick on this one? Yeah, you want to stick on this one. And there you go. 4. See? Oh yes, it's 5, sorry. So this is what we got. And what we will start to make. And we are going to play one game. It's called Making Different Shapes. We're going to make hearts. We're going to make... How about let's just play. There you go. Here's all of it. Now, can you guess? Guess what I'm making? Yeah. Do you guess what I'm making? You might know what it is, but maybe I'll change it up, maybe I'll not.
it's a rectangle or something like that? No.
No. You will see.
It's a rectangle, right?
No.
It's a square shape.
No.
Then what?
You will see when I'm done. But it'll take a long time because I'm doing it all round. How do I make it? I know how now. Oh, it's getting together. Now guess.
I don't know.
Okay.
It's something like a Christmas tree shape.
Look.
Diamond shape.
Yes, you are right. Diamond.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fun.
So the next shape.
Next shape. Okay. Try to have a good angle. Now guess.
It's a triangle.
You're right. Triangle is very easy to make. I just made it in 1 minute. Yay.
Can you make a rectangle?
No, you have to guess. Okay, now guess.
What is this?
You have to guess. I'm not gonna tell you.
It's maybe you are making a square shape.
Oh.
Yes, you are making square shape.
Yeah, you're right. How are you doing this? No, you can here. Don't take a lot of.
But I think it's not a square shape, it's a rectangle shape.
It's a rectangle square shape.
Okay.
We don't have any more blocks. That's why. How about now? How about now?
I don't know. I think it's square.
Okay, it's a square. Put here. Have to go here. Yeah. Put here.
Yes.
Put here. Put here. Yay. You are right. Yay. Righty, righty, right, right, righty, righty, right, 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 right. You're right. It's a square.
So now you will make another shape.
How about this one?
It's a king bean shape.
You are right. King bee.
King bean shape. So what you gonna make next?
It's not a shape. It's like maybe a foot, maybe a hand.
I think it looks leg and
Foot.
legs with foot or something like that. I don't know.
You're right. Bye-bye. Now it's turning into hand and saying bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Can you make 1, 2, 3? Good idea, right?
But we cannot make 3 because it's not going to be curved enough. Very good.
But you can make
See? 4.
okay,
We can make a 4.
4.
Oh,
Okay,
a
make
4 is right here.
Yes. Yes, you are right.
But we have to make big, not small. Okay, here we go. Looks like a cross. Love it. Personally, how I make very ugly. Yeah. This is personally how I make very ugly.
No, it looks good.
It's how my papa makes. How does he make? I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.